Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Portmore. We just exited or turned from Mandela Highway, so we're driving this way into Portmore. There are two main ways. One, to enter Portmore. If we had used the Causeway or the Portmore Expressway, that's a toll road, we'd have to pay toll, but this way there is no toll when we come in from this end. Okay, this roundabout now, if we turn left, we're going to Dyke Road, and that takes us into Portmore. If we were to go straight, that would take us into Greater Portmore. And if we went all the way around the roundabout, we would go back onto the expressway, to the highway, sorry. So we're now on Dyke Road, and we're going to be heading towards Portmore Mall. Portmore is developing very fast, so although you can see this part of Portmore where this road is, you see a lot of bush. Right, if they were to clear the bush and level it, you would see a lot of homes on the right. Portmore is a large residential area, and it's so large that Portmore is eventually going to become a parish. It definitely has outgrown the St. Catherine Parish Council, I guess you could say. It needs its own, well, it's a municipality, but it's going to be a parish very soon. I think both the government and the opposition have realized that Portmore is growing, and it's a very large population. It probably has the third largest population in Jamaica, and everybody is in agreement for Portmore to become a parish. So it's just a matter of time and I guess formalities. On the left is basically just bush. That part of Portmore hasn't been developed yet, but on the right you can see a lot of activity going on. And as we said, if the trees on the right were cut down, you would see a lot of homes. And we're on Dyke Road. On the left now, you can see some activity going on. Not sure what it is, but some construction is going on the left. Here on the left now is like warehouses, not really warehouses, but Jamaica Pre-Mix Concrete Limited. That's their facility over there, so they use it for like storing stuff, making concrete blocks, those kind of things. Okay, at the intersection that we're coming up to, where you see the stoplight, if we were to go straight, we would eventually go on to Dyke Road, would lead us into the highway, the Portmore Expressway, and that could lead us either into Portmore or take us on the highway over the Causeway Bridge back into Kingston. But we're going to turn right here and go on to Passage Ford Drive, and this will take us into Portmore, this like closer to the Portmore Mall. So this is Passage Fort Drive, and at the intersection above where you see the stoplight, if we were to go straight, we would go into Independence City, and if we turn left, it would take us to the Portmore Mall, and if we turn right, that would take us into Waterford. And also, if we weren't straight, we would eventually end up in Gregory Park. So here it is, left to the Portmore Mall, straight to Gregory Park, and if we turn right, we go into Waterford. Now, Portmore has a lot of communities, and they are very popular communities, very large communities. Okay, straight ahead on the left, that's the entrance to Portsmouth. And that, where you see the fence on the left, that's the Portmore Community College. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.